Hello everyone. Today, me with my team members would like to present our paper entitled "The Influence of Food Recommendation System on Customer Satisfaction in Food Delivery Application in Indonesia." This research was conducted under the supervision of Professor Yohanes Kurniawan. I will start by explaining the introduction section of this study. Next. Food delivery apps like GoFood and GrabFood are widely used in Indonesia. Next, these apps use recommendation system to suggest meals based on user behavior. Third, the study explore how this system affect user satisfaction, loyalty, and continued usage. Lastly, we survey 150 active users to analyze key factors like accuracy, ease of use, and variety. Next.
The objective we aim to critically examine the effectiveness of food recommendation. First one is assess how food recommendation features on digital food delivery platform. Second, examine how personal suggestion. Three, investigate how food recommendation shape emotional and cognitive aspect of the user experience. Four, determine the role of recommendation system. And last, understand how effective recommendation system. Next. Literature review Sanchez CNS 2022 highlights the importance of developing recommendation systems specifically for delivery platform. May Safira 2022 examine how MSTP affect food merchant distribution in Jakarta. Next. There are 5 key of our review. First, function of recommendation system. Second, application across industries such as Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon that use recommendation system. 3, effect on customer satisfaction. 4, role of cognitive and emotional experience. And last, real-world impact and supporting factors. Next. Methodology. Research design. We use quantitative method by collecting numerical data and analyze between variable. Data collection. We use online questionnaire by distribute Google Form from 11 to 30 March. And we get 160 respondents and 59 is not qualified. Sampling criteria. Our target respondent is age at 18 to 59 that use GoFood and GrabFood at least 3 times in a week. And last variable, customer satisfaction, divided by 3 parts: accuracy of recommendation, diversity of recommendation, and food recommendation. Next.
For the results indication, the study collect data from 162 respondents. There are 59 respondents who did not qualify in this research. For the reliability and validity test, in the study, the R table for 103 respondents is 0.193. As the result, all the questions on the variable on the study have been declared valid. For reliability analysis, the concordance alpha is greater than 0.6. The study shows that all the variables have a concordance alpha coefficient 0.667 or more, which means that all the variables can be categorized as acceptable. For the normality test was conducted using the Kolmogorov-Smirnov method. The asymmetric value is 0.200, which is greater than 0.05. This indicates that the data is normally distributed. For the hypothesis testing, to determine the t-table refers to a 95 confidence level and a degree of freedom value of 1.984. From the table above, it can be concluded that all the variable has a significant impact on satisfaction because all the statistical value are higher than the degree of freedom. For the correlation of determination test, when the value of R square multiplied by 100%, the result is 74.8%. This indicates that 74.8% of the variation in the dependent variable can be explained by the independent variable. For the partial determination coefficient test, based on the result in the table, explain some different factors impacted in customer satisfaction. The following can be concluded. Accuracy of recommendation has 80% influence on customer satisfaction. Diversity of recommendation has 70.1% of the impact on satisfaction. And last, food recommendation is the most influential on the satisfaction with the value of 39.7%.
Now I will continue with the conclusion section of our paper. The first one is food recommendation strongly impact user satisfaction, contributing 74.x% through quality, accuracy, and diversity. But many users find them repetitive. Apps should improve personalization. Lastly, survey data was limited, so finding may not fully represent all users. Next. In this section, my team would like to suggest several recommendations for future research. In this section, first, involves more diverse users to gain broader insight. Second, combine your survey with interview or focus group for deeper understanding. Lastly, explore other factors like app usability, delivery speed, and the use of AI for better personalization.
That's all for our presentation of our paper. Thank you.